Hey everybody! Today we're going to be making sour cream noodle bake. This is another recipe I got from my mother-in-law and it is delicious. So let's get started. You're going to need 2 pounds of ground meat. I use 80/20. Some light sour cream. You're going to need 2 3/4 cups of that. You're going to need 8 ounces of shredded Colby Jack cheese. You're going to need about 1/2 of a big onion chopped. You're going to need cottage cheese, 6 heaping tablespoons of that. You're going to need 4 cloves of garlic chopped. You're going to need a big can of tomato sauce. You're going to need 16 ounces of noodles. I'm using rotini whole grain. You could use any kind of noodles you want. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of granulated onion powder. And you're going to need 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic powder. And of course, salt and pepper. Okay, so the first thing you start doing is frying your ground meat. And you get your water going for your noodles. Okay, so when your ground meat is brown, take it off, drain it, and rinse it. Okay, so after you drain and rinse your ground meat, then you add your chopped onion, your chopped garlic, and then you add your can of tomato sauce. And you cook this on low and simmer it for about a half hour or so. Okay, so when your water is boiling, dump your noodles in and cook your noodles until they're al dente. Okay, so while your noodles are boiling and your ground meat mixture is simmering, you get your sour cream, your cottage cheese, your garlic powder, your onion powder, and your Colby Jack shredded cheese, and you put it in a bowl and you mix all that together. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all mixed together. Okay, so when your noodles reach al dente, drain them and then preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, get a big bowl and put your ground meat and tomato sauce mixture in the bowl, and then next add your cheese mixture. Okay, once you added your cheese mixture, mix that up really well. Okay, once that's mixed up, add as many noodles as you would like. Okay, so that's what it looks like after I added the noodles I wanted to add. And that's how much I have left over from a 16-ounce box of noodles. Now, I said to preheat your oven to 350. I'm not going to bake mine because I think it's going to dry everything out. I'm just going to leave it this way and I'm going to heat it up, in the microwave as I want it. But you could do what you want. You're supposed to bake it at 350 for 20 minutes. But I really don't see any reason for it because, I think it looks really well. So I hope you all enjoy.